In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Vimeo account. Whether you're a seasoned Vimeo user or logging in for the first time, this guide will walk you through the process step by step to ensure a seamless entry into your Vimeo world. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to visit the Vimeo website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.vimeo.com in the address bar. Hit enter and you'll be directed to the Vimeo homepage. This is the portal to all your video content, but first we need to log in. On the top right corner of the page, you'll notice a sign in button. It's usually easy to spot and labeled clearly. Go ahead and click on that. This action will direct you to the login page where you will need to enter your credentials. Next, it's time to enter your login details. If you signed up using an email, go ahead and type that email address into the designated email field. Alternatively, if you prefer using a username, you can enter your Vimeo username. Make sure there are no typos, as this can prevent you from logging in. Now let's move on to the password. This is your key to unlocking your account, so carefully type in your password in the password field. Just a tip, ensure your caps lock is off to avoid any errors while entering your password, as passwords are case sensitive. If you initially created your Vimeo account using a Google or Facebook account, there's good news. You can simply bypass the traditional login method by selecting the Google or Facebook button. This is an optional step, but it certainly can make the process quicker if you're already signed into either of these services. Once you've got your credentials in place, go ahead and click the sign in button. You are almost there. If everything you entered is correct, you should be a step away from entering the world of Vimeo. For those of you who have added an additional layer of security through two-factor authentication, you might need to complete an extra step for verification. Expect a code sent to your registered phone or email. Enter this code when prompted to securely access your account. And there you have it. Once logged in, you'll gain access to your Vimeo account, where you can watch and manage your past uploads, create playlists, and engage with amazing content. I hope you found this guide useful and that these steps help you get into your Vimeo account smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching and enjoy your browsing on Vimeo.